traveling on a quarter-scale, exact replica of the 1893 Huntington train. As you look around the farm, you will see some exciting things to do. To your left, you will see Cider Hill, an area where adults can taste hard cider, drink craft beer and wine, and where kids can play cornhole and other games. We also are serving homemade pizzas on Cider Hill. New bathrooms? We built permanent bathrooms this year, connected to the city sewer system. We wanted to add this convenience for our visitors to make their visit more enjoyable. In fact, as you walk around, you will notice more shade structures and seating, also with your comfort in mind. As we come out of the tunnel, look to your right. You can see what we call the Silo Field. It is a 2-acre festival ground lined with redwood trees, olive trees, and vineyard trellises. Large groups can lease this grass field for events. The redwood trees were planted for a natural windbreak. The grass is Bermuda, which is a very hardy species that takes minimal water to grow. If you would like to have an event, visit www.dell'osofamilyfarm.com that designate each fruit, nut, or citrus tree. These trees are planted in a specific order too. As we make our way around, we are taking a trip through the crops of the central San Joaquin Valley. 7 acres of Bermuda grass. The farm depends on the shared resource of water along with the other farms in the area. It's happen Monday through Thursday at 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. Fridays at 3:30 p.m. Don't miss these free shows included in your children, but your children's children as well. As these trees grow big and tall, it will change the landscape and bring so much more to the beauty of this land. Just look at the changes and how the trees have grown in the last few years. Ghost Town is now coming up on your left. Some very historic buildings from the mining town of Jackson, California. They say spirits come out at night. To your right is a panoramic view of Mount Diablo and the West Hills. Perhaps you've been lucky enough to catch a sunset while on our farm. If not, you might have to come again, as our sunsets and the colors in the sky are breathtaking. If you look to the fields on your right, you will see the cherries that we're growing in our U-Pick patch. We planted the 15 acres of cherries a few years ago and are celebrating our 4th year offering U-Pick cherries to the public annually every May. If you would like to be on a mailing list to be notified about when our U-Pick cherry season will start, please go to our website at www.dell'osofamilyfarm.com and enter your email address. Back to the station. If you dare, take a walk through the haunted forest. You never know what you will see lurking around each corner. Enjoy the rest of your day at Dell'Oso Family Farm. And make sure to stop by the bakery for some delicious treats to take home. Thank you so much for coming to our family farm.
Ililigaw natin sa atin. Ililigaw nga natin.
Dapat marami dito maganda eh. Di ba last time? Tayo, ito.
Hello. Here. Here. Bye. Ano ba yan? Oh, what is it?
Nag-cheat si Leah. Ano nang...
This is right here, look. Ayan o, akit tayo. Alala ko si ano. What? Si Bureng. I'm just gonna go here. Aha. Wala ka ba na? Yeah. This is that corner.
I got you. Oh my gosh.
Daddy.
You're fine.
Let me get out. I can't see anything.
Okay, it's fine.
I know, I can't either.
I got you.
I'm about to run now, huh?
Huh?
I'm gonna run.
Oh, you gonna run?
I'm just kidding. Come on now, let's go, CC. Conquer your fear.
Marky, do you want to hold
You're
Cece?
the one. Huh?
Well, do you want to hold Cece? But she's little.
I can. Come on,
Here, hold her.
Gosh,
come on, hold my
I
hand.
got you. Hold Cece. Hold Cece.
Hold There's gonna
don't
be
ever run. Do that, Mom. Keep doing that.
Mommy, you're buzzing and change. Yeah.
You keep doing that.
Okay, let's hear it.
I cannot find your back.
Smile, you're in camera. It's a smile.
It's our outfit.
I cannot come because your back.
Oh my God, we're never going here again if you're going to.
You're the one who's
You're the one who wants to come here.
carry your back. Oh, there's one.
Yeah, like this too. Okay. Yeah, like this too.
Your back, mommy. That's
I don't dare, God. We're so I just want to get done.
Right here. Right here. And here.
Oh my God. Is it dark? Dark? Oh my god.
Right here. Gotta come up. Come on, CC. You're close.
Thinks it now it's getting dark again. Oh my god.
You're fine. Why is there water?
What the? Oh shit, it's getting darker here. Uh-oh. Okay. What the heck?
Trust me. It's the insufficient.
Oh my god, they survived. Thank you.